wig review. Today is courtesy of samsbeauty.com. So today I'm reviewing a unit by the brand Bobbi Boss, and it is the Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig M985 Kenna. And there she is. Let me just tell you guys, I know I'm starting off with a sigh. When you start off with a sigh, that's never a good sign. When I saw this unit online, I absolutely fell in love. I really did, because this unit was just, it's just beautiful, especially on the stock model. On the stock card. Even the model looks really super duper cute wearing this wig. Let me say that first. But this is a unit that I'm really on the fence on. Like, I don't know. I'm really on the fence. I don't know about this one, you guys. But before I get into the pros, the cons, let me go ahead and give you guys a few specs. So the unit comes with combs and adjustable straps. There is no lace to cut. This is a laceless unit. The cap space is very, very large. Like, so this is a very big head friendly unit. Now, to me, it was kind of so large that I kind of had a little hump action, but I was able to put a hot compress up there to kind of help it, the poofiness go away. So the parting space offers about 3.5 inches, and it states that it is a hand-tied, I believe, handmade parting space. And for that to be a unique special feature, I would just describe the parting space as just okay. This is not the best parting space I've seen before. Actually, you're going to have to put in a little work, because when you put the wig on, you're going to have a little demarcation there. It's going to look a little wiggy. You're going to have to pull out some of your natural hairs out to kind of blend with the unit. Once you do all those things and add your concealer and pressed powder, the parting space looks okay. It's okay. But you're going to have to put in some work. Now, I would say this unit is about 10 inches in length. The feature that I found most attractive online was like the wavy type of a pattern. Online, the stock model, the unit looks very the hair pattern looks very uniform, very the wave pattern just looks very uniform. It doesn't look like it's a messy bob unit online, but when you get it, it definitely is kind of like a messy, wet and wavy type of a look. I kept telling myself, this unit kind of looks like you just got out of the shower. It's that wet hair look, if you like that. One of the things that I really was disappointed in is that the density is quite thin, like thinner than I thought it was going to be. Like on the stock card, it looks pretty full, but this is the hair brushed out, you guys. Like I used that paddle brush and I brushed it out to get as much volume as I can. When I took the wig out of the packaging, like you could see through like the cap in certain areas because it was that thin. Like you can see through the cap in certain areas. You're going to have to brush it out. I don't know. That's what I saw when I opened up my particular wig. It was on the thin side. I did not experience any tangling, but I did get a good fair amount of shedding, and I didn't cut any lace off, so we can't attribute the shedding to the cutting of the lace. This unit may just be a shedder. The color that I'm wearing is called Eggplant, which I never saw the color Eggplant before, but it's a very pretty deep purplish kind of color. I actually really do like this color because it's purple, but it's not purple. Like this is a very wearable purple. You can wear this out and people will see it and be like, oh, your hair is purple, when they're right up on you. Like it's not an in your face type of a purple color. It's very subtle. So if you like color but you don't like in your face color, this color option would be a good one for you. So I really don't have anything else to say about this unit, you guys. It's a nice unit. It is an affordable unit. I would describe it as nice. Like there were little things, it was too many things here and there that I didn't care for with this unit that kind of was like, But when I see myself in and I take pictures in the unit, it does look so cute. But I'm an attention to detail oriented type of a person, and it's just little things here and there that add up. I'm like, the party space is not the best. The density is kind of on the thin side. I wish the curl pattern was a little bit more defined. Those things all together kind of got me on the fence with this unit. Now, will I wear her again? I probably will. When I wear her, I feel like she is pretty. But as far as the quality goes, I just wish she was a little more strong in that area. I don't know, you guys. You guys are going to have to tell me about this one. What do you think? Do you already have Kenna in your beauty arsenal? Thank you again to samsbeauty.com for sending me this unit to review for you guys. If you want to go ahead and check out Bobbi Boss's Kenna unit, I'm going to leave the direct link to where you can check her out on samsbeauty.com. Until my next wig review, I will see you guys later. Bye.